Okay, class 2, one of your maths activities this week was to challenge yourself to use some positional language to talk about where the different pictures and the objects in the squares were. Now, on your grid, you've got an extra line at the bottom of yours. You've got 4 extra squares, but there was no way Miss Nixon was able to draw an elephant, even though she tried and had a big growth mindset. It was just a little bit too tricky. So I've made mine into a 4 square by a 3 square table, and I've left 3 blank spaces. Now on yours you'll have 4 blank spaces, so you need to cut out or draw a cow, star, a girl and a boy to fill in your place in anywhere on your grid where there's a blank space. So Miss Nixon's going to draw the star here. I'm going to draw the boy at the top. And marvellous mistake. And I'm going to draw my girl here. Okay, Miss Nixon then would like you to use some positional language. So we've used lots of positional language before, so we could use the word between, next to, above, below, diagonal, can you think of any other words that you could use? Under. And you could even challenge yourself and use the words left and right. So to the left is this way and to the right is that way. Okay, what you need to do then, year 1s you've been given some sentence examples which you need to fill in. Year 2s you've got to challenge yourself and try and write me some of your own. You've got year 1s have got a word bank. Year 2s you need to have a go. So Miss Nixon's going to give you an example. How would I describe where the duck is on my graph, on my grid? So underneath, Miss Nixon would write, the duck is, I'm going to write between the bear and the, can you tell me what else? So it's between the bear and the hen. And at the end of my sentence, I need a full stop. Okay, I'll give you another example. We will use the star. So capital letter to start my sentence. The star is, now you could use lots of different ways to describe the position of this, below the dog, above the rectangle, next to the bear, or year 2s you could write to the left of the bear on the left hand side. So the star is above the rectangle. And at the end of my sentence, a full stop. So see if you can use as many of these positional language words in your learning as possible, boys and girls. Can't wait to see it all sent through on Seesaw. Good job. Speak to you later. Bye.